Hi guys, it's Pablo. Congratulations on buying that property in Elko County by Montello. I think it's an excellent property. I just want to make a quick video about how to get to the property. And it's out in the middle of nowhere, but it's so simple to get to. It's literally just a couple of turns and then you're there at the property. But I wanted to show you some landmarks and such so that it's easier to follow as you're following the GPS coordinates. So I want to use for reference a couple of things. This is the PDF of the property that you received, and then I also want to show you some other pictures that I have that are not on here, and then also I want to use Google Earth maps just to direct you a little bit better. So the property, of course, it's here, right? But this is just a random coordinate. This is the area that it's in. So this is Wendover. This is the Nevada-Utah border, and this is I-80. And then you're gonna, it's just literally directly above Wendover and just east of Montello. And the way to get there is I-80, and then you're gonna follow 233. So just to give you an idea of where Wendover is compared to Salt Lake, so this is Salt Lake City. The Salt Lake Airport is somewhere here, and then I-80 just goes west for about 90 miles to get to Wendover. And then Wendover, you would just continue on I-80, and then you would get off right at 233. Now, there is another road here called Pilot Road, and that is another way of getting to the property. I think it's here. It's kind of a shortcut. However, I think that Pilot Road is actually a dirt road. So although it might be fewer miles, it'll take you longer to arrive because 233 is a really smooth, nicely paved road. And you're actually going on dirt roads, I think, for about 7 or 8 miles. So I recommend going that route. And here it is here. So getting off at 233, which is exit 378, and you're going to be traveling 29 miles to get to the Church Road entrance. And this is actually it. This is a picture off of Google Earth, but this is exactly what it looks like. This is Highway 233 right here, and right at this intersection is Church Road, and this is what it looks like, and this is actually a church, so that's why they call it Church Road. And now what I want to do is I want to blow up this picture here, which just tells you how to arrive, and this is literally how easy it is. You just turn off of 233 right at Church Road, and then there's a stop sign here, and I'll blow it up on the map to show you. You make a left, you're going to see a house and a compound here, another house there, and then this road is going to curve, and you're just going to follow it all the way to the property. And a good landmark of that you're going in the right direction are the power lines and some cow grates, which I also included a picture of here in the PDF. So this is that road, and then the property is behind this here, and then here are the power lines, and then the property is a ways closer to the mountain. So let me show you what happens when you pull up the coordinates. So I'm going to type in the corner coordinate, which is coordinate B. So it's going to be 114. So this is going to take you directly to the property, which is right here. So the coordinate B, which is that corner, It takes you right to this, right to the corner of the property. If I can get both together. And then this here where it says property, that's probably just the middle of the property. Another good landmark is when the road starts to curve. So when we went out there, we didn't have that exact coordinate. We just went with the landmarks and intersections from Google Earth, and then it took us right into this area here, and we knew where it was just based on that. So you having coordinates is going to be much easier. But here's an example of the roads you're going to encounter. So this road, for example, isn't very well defined. And if you notice that rectangle there, that is that structure here. So this is that same road, but this is much more well defined. And then if we're going closer to the mountains, we're closer to the mountains and closer to the property. And then this road is very heavily defined. And then here is the curve that I showed you on the map. And this is an intersection right here. So these blades of grass are literally your parcel. And then across the street here is the parcel to the east. And this is BML land. So the mountain range is to the east of you, and the Utah border runs north and south somewhere along the foothills here. So it's about 2 miles away, which is about here. So when you see this, you'll know that like you've passed the property. And another landmark is going to be here. This is the stake that is on the northeast corner of the property. So hopefully it survived, I'm sorry, wrong stake. This is the stake that's on the northwest corner of the property. So you're going to be traveling along this road, and you will already have crossed the power lines and the cow grates, and hopefully, depending on snow and if it's still here, you'll see this stake, and that will be the northwest corner of the property. And then that curve on the road is right over here. So somewhere here is going to be your other corner of the property. And let me show you just a little bit here. So these are the power lines, and these are the cow grates again. And now this is looking west. And now this is the northeast corner. So the road you just traveled on was here, and then the mountains that I just pointed out are off here to the east. So you are facing southwest, and that is the corner that hopefully will still be there as it's staked out. And then that stake is right here, and that's that intersection. And now we're looking south, and to the left of us is east, where those foothills were, and where the Utah Nevada border are. So let me just show you on Google Earth. So we know where that intersection is. So now you are getting off here, I-80, and you're traveling on 233. And then let's find Church Road, which is right here. And it's very noticeable. So you're going to turn onto Church Road. Here is the church right here. And then excuse me. Yeah, that one there. So then the second intersection, this is going to be like an angled intersection. And then this is going to be the other intersection. And I believe that the intersection has a stop sign, which is right here. And then this is just an electric pole. So you're going to be turning left onto that road. And you'll know that you're on the correct road, because to the left you're going to see this compound here. And then to the left you're going to see this compound here as well. and then the road is just going to curve. Noticeable curve. And you'll know that you're on the right road again because you'll see this house over here. And this is the road that takes you directly to the property. You just go directly east, and you don't want to get off of it until again you see the landmarks, which are the power, the electric lines, and then the cow grate, and then which are somewhere here, I believe. And then again, when you have this curve, that's when you know you've passed the property. So the property is going to be right on the corner. And again, the easiest way to get there is just going to be with these GPS coordinates. That first stake that I showed you is going to be here somewhere, and then this is going to be that corner stake as well. So I hope it helps. I hope you guys love the property. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful out there. Enjoy it, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.